Welcome to SCADA Cloud from ModbusSimulator.com. This is the full feature tour. We'll connect a real Modbus device, add live tags, build a complete HMI screen, and walk through every tool in the platform, including the built-in AI assistant. Let's sign in. The system dashboard. 4 KPI cards with live spark lines show tags loaded, active tags, alarms, and connected devices. Below, system health, device diagnostics with protocol and poll status, a communication monitor, and recent events. Everything an operator needs at a glance. Connecting a device takes seconds. In Devices, click Add Device. Enter the IP and port of your PLC or gateway, and the unit ID. Test connection talks to the real hardware and responds in milliseconds. Modbus TCP, Modbus RTU over serial with auto detect. OPC UA, and MQTT are all supported. Now the data. In the tag browser, we add 2 tags. Line 1 pressure at holding register 64 and line 1 temperature at register 65. Scaling, units and data types are configurable per tag. Within seconds, both live values arrive from the device. 6464 and 6565 pulled automatically. The stat strip tracks totals and data quality. The HMI designer ships with a categorized asset library. Process equipment, pipes and flow, instrumentation, control elements, and displays. We drag out a tank, a ball valve, a pump, a motor, a pipe, then a gauge, a thermometer, a numeric display, a live chart, start and stop buttons, and a status lamp. 12 widgets in under a minute. Binding widgets to data is one field. Select the gauge and point it at line 1 pressure. The thermometer and numeric display get the temperature tag, and the chart gets pressure. Labels, ranges, colors, and animations are all in the Properties panel. Switch to Run mode, and the screen is live. The gauge reads the real register value. The thermometer and numeric show temperature. The chart plots samples as they arrive, with current value and range. This is exactly what your operators will see. Save the screen with a name. Screens are versioned, stored with your account, and follow you to any browser or the desktop app. You can also import and export screens as JSON files. Alarm management is built in. Severity cards for critical, warning, and info. Tabs for active alarms, full history, and shelved alarms. Acknowledge or shelve individually or in bulk, with escalation for unacknowledged criticals. The trend viewer overlays multiple tags in real time. Both our tags are plotting, with time windows from 1 minute to 24 hours, pause and clear controls, and a statistics table with current, minimum, maximum, and average. Export everything to CSV. For administrators, user management with role-based access. Viewers, operators, and admins each see exactly what they should. And every action is recorded in the audit trail. Who changed what, and when. Ready for compliance. The digital twin lets you simulate your process without touching production. Test screens and logic against simulated values before going live. The tag dependency graph visualizes how your data points relate. An event replay lets you scrub back through history to investigate exactly what happened during an incident. And when you need help, the built-in AI assistant knows the whole platform. Ask it how to connect a Modbus RTU device, and it walks you through COM ports and auto-detecting baud rate and parity. Instant answers, right inside the app. SCADA Cloud. Devices, tags, HMI screens, alarms, trends, users, audit, digital twin, and an AI assistant. Free 30-day trial, web and desktop, at ModbusSimulator.com. The download bundle includes both Modbus Simulator and SCADA Desktop.